All right, imagine the moon is a big ball in the sky that shines at night because the sun lights it up. But here's something cool. The moon doesn't make its own light. It's just like a mirror reflecting the sun's light back to us. Now, as the moon travels around the Earth, we see different amounts of its lit up side. That's why the moon seems to change shape, even though it's really staying the same size and shape all the time. Let's break it down step by step. The sun always lights up half of the moon. Imagine holding a ball in your hand and shining a flashlight on it. Only one side of the ball is bright, right? The other side is in the dark. The sun works the same way with the moon. It lights up one side, but the other side stays dark. The moon moves around Earth. The moon is constantly moving around the Earth in a big circle. We call this orbiting. As it moves, we see different parts of its lit up side because of where it is in its journey around us. Different shapes we see. New moon. When the moon is between Earth and the sun, we can't see the lit up side at all, so it looks like there's no moon in the sky. This is called a new moon. Waxing crescent. As the moon moves a little further, we start to see a tiny bit of its lit side. It looks like a small crescent shape, kind of like a fingernail. First quarter, a little later, we can see half of the lit up side. This is called the first quarter. Waxing gibbous. After that, more than half of the moon is visible, but not all of it. This is called waxing gibbous. Full moon. When the moon is on the opposite side of the Earth from the sun, we see the entire lit up side. This is the full moon. Waning gibbous. After the full moon, the lit up part starts to shrink, but more than half of it is still showing. This is waning gibbous. Last quarter. Then only half of the lit side is visible again, like during the first quarter, but on the opposite side. This is the last quarter. Waning crescent. Finally, we see just a tiny bit of the lit side, like another small crescent. After this, it becomes a new moon again, and the cycle starts over. Why the moon shapes repeat? The moon goes through all these shapes, we call them phases, every month. So every time you see a new moon, you can start watching it slowly grow into a full moon again over the next couple of weeks. So the moon doesn't really change shape, it's just moving around the Earth, and we're seeing different parts of its bright side lit by the sun. Isn't that awesome?